Welcome to the Mega Handles Factory Tour, where every door handle begins its journey, from raw material to refined design. The process begins with casting. Molten zinc is poured into finely engineered molds to form each handle's solid foundation. From there, our craftsmen bring each piece to life. Skilled hands refine every curve and ensure every edge meets our exacting standards. Each surface is polished to a perfect sheen, inspected for precision, and finished with the care only true artisans can deliver. Each handle is precision drilled for a perfect fit, then powder coated for a beautiful satin finish. Inside our factory, craftsmanship meets innovation. We blend traditional artistry with modern precision to create hardware that feels as beautiful as it looks. Once complete, every handle is assembled and hand-packed, ready to be unboxed, installed, and admired. Every handle tells a story of passion, patience, and perfection. Mega Handles, designed to be noticed.